This weird vegetable is the green kohlrabi. Today, we have 50 tons of them to process. We are making detox juice, spicy pickles, and premium slaw. But watch the end for the secret build. Subscribe to FactoryX Process right now. Let's tackle the mountain.
It's 6 a.m. The harvest begins. These are root vegetables, so they are stuck tight in the mud. We need to fill 5,000 of these crates today. The team is a well-oiled machine. The sun is getting hot. The Green Mountain Mover has arrived.
Loading up. Efficiency is key. Loading up. Efficiency is key. We keep them cool to keep the crunch. Happily Indigo. 50 tons loaded in record time.
Sealed. No one touches this until the factory.
Next stop, the processing plant. It's a short 20-mile haul.
There it is, the headquarters. We are entering the sterile zone. Biosecurity is strict here.
Backing up. 3, 2, 1. This is where the chaos begins. 50 tons. 1 hour to unload. Look at that flow. It's a green landslide.
Heading up to the washing station to remove the field mud.
This place is cleaner than an operating room.
AI robots keep the line moving.
Solid rock. This one is perfect for pickling.
We use ozone water to kill bacteria, scrubbing every nook and cranny.
Now we dry them off.
Look at that green shine, ready for the great split.
Lasers measure the density.
This one is big, perfect for slaw.
Left for juice. Right for pickles. Center for slaw.
This guy is full of water. He's going to the press.
this one? Rock hard. Destined for the pickle jar. This is the barber shop. Every kohlrabi gets a shave.
Holding it steady for the blade. Holding it steady for the blade.
The skin is too tough to eat, so it goes to the farm as compost.
Naked and ready for processing.
One last rinse. Now the real transformation begins. First up, the juice.
Solid. Juicy. Perfect.
Entering the juice zone.
Did you know kohlrabi juice is the new superfood?
The crusher. 20 tons of vertical pressure.
Squeeze! Squeeze!
Look at that vibrant green color. Woohoo!
Cold pressed means we keep all the vitamins.
A drop of lemon for preservation.
$10,000 bottles an hour. Sealed for freshness.
Product 1. The Green Detox. Complete.
Line B. We take the solid white heart and turn up the heat.
Perfect 10mm cubes. Every time.
The secret sauce: vinegar, chili, and garlic.
Heavy-duty glass for a heavy-duty crunch.
Solids first. Liquids second.
And the cherry. Or chili. On top. Vacuum sealed for a 2-year shelf life.
Look at that color. Product 2 is ready.
Line C. The shredder. Watch your fingers.
It turns a solid vegetable into snow in seconds.
It looks like snow, but it tastes like crunch.
We spin dry it. Nobody likes soggy slaw.
Removing moisture keeps it crisp for weeks.
The octopus calculates the perfect 500-gram portion. Form, fill, and seal. A blast of nitrogen pushes out the oxygen. The locked in.
Three products, 50 tons, but we have thousands of empty crates left.
We processed 50 tons. Now we have a mountain of empty crates. Let's build a Titan. Locking the legs in place.
This thing is taller than the factory roof. Almost.
Time to give it a soul.
Meet the guardian of the Green Valley. King of the factory.
Look at that glow. Absolutely massive.
Teamwork makes the dream work. FactoryX!
Let's taste. Let's taste the victory.
We started with a muddy field. We ended with this trio. First, the detox juice. 100% Kohlrabi.
Sweet, earthy, and super refreshing. 10-10. Now the spicy cube, listen to this crunch.
And the slaw, perfectly shredded, so crisp.
And the waste bin? Empty. Zero waste challenge, success.
I'm sending this box to one subscriber who comments Green Giant Tea below.
If you like the Green Mountain, smash subscribe. We have a bigger harvest next week. What should we build with the purple yam crates? Tell me in the comments.
See you in the next process.